Hey friends, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error that pops up in Microsoft Word when you try to open certain PDF files and get the message. We're having trouble opening this PDF. It exceeds the maximal page size supported by Word. Let's take a quick look at what this error actually looks like. So, I've got Word open, and I'm trying to open this PDF file for editing. But as soon as I do that, Word throws up the error saying the page size is too large to open. That can be really frustrating, especially if you were expecting to edit the file right away. But don't worry, there's a simple fix, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, we need to open the PDF using a PDF viewer. I'll be using Adobe Acrobat Reader, but you can use your web browser or any free PDF reader, whatever you have available. Once the file is open, go to the Print option from the menu. Here's the trick. Instead of sending it to a physical printer, change the printer selection to Microsoft Print to PDF. Yes, we're going to reprint the PDF into another PDF, but this time, Word will be able to handle it. Also, make sure the page sizing and handling is set to Size. This ensures that the printed version keeps the content within standard dimensions. Now, click on Print. Choose a location to save the new PDF and give it a name, something like Resized PDF, so you can tell it apart. Once you click Save, the new PDF will be created. Now comes the moment of truth. Let's go back to Microsoft Word and try opening the newly saved PDF. And just like that, no more error message. Word is now able to open the file without any issues, and you can go ahead and start editing it just like a regular document. So that's it, problem solved. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else who might be stuck on the same issue. And if this is your first time watching Zimist Coded, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more useful tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.